Seeing Bluetooth paired but not connected on your Windows 11 computer, yeah, that can be super frustrating, like especially when your headphones or keyboard just won't respond. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth paired but not connected step by step so you can get everything working again. First, let's try the simple fix. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and find your paired device in the list. Click on it, then choose Connect. Sometimes Windows 11 doesn't auto-connect after pairing, so manually connecting can solve it instantly. If that didn't work, let's remove the device and pair it again. Click the three-dot menu next to the device and choose Remove Device. Confirm the removal. Now put your Bluetooth device back into pairing mode, then click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and select your device from the list. If it still says paired but not connected, we'll restart the Bluetooth service. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it and choose Restart. If it's stopped, click Start instead. After that, try connecting your device again. Another common reason is a driver issue. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't fix it, right-click again and choose Uninstall Device. Then restart your computer. Windows 11 will reinstall the driver automatically. Finally, make sure airplane mode is turned off. Also, disconnect the device from other nearby computers or phones. Sometimes it connects to another device automatically, without you realizing it. And that's it. These fixes should solve the Bluetooth paired but not connected problem on Windows 11. Try them one by one, and your device should connect normally again. If this helped, feel free to like the video and check out more quick Windows troubleshooting guides. Bluetooth not